So, Gumliz Books pops up looking like the hero of broke students everywhere. Cheap textbooks, like new listings, and prices that make Amazon look like it's charging emotional damage fees.
What?
You see a college book for way less than everywhere else, and suddenly your wallet starts clapping. But then the reviews walk in wearing police tape. Trustpilot shows Gumliz at 2.9 from only 5 reviews, with 60% being 1 star. The biggest complaint is simple. People thought they were buying physical books, but after paying, they say they got download links instead. One reviewer said the listing looked like a used like new paperback, asked for a shipping address, then delivered a digital file. Another said they ordered 3 textbooks that looked like paperbacks with free shipping, but only received links and couldn't get support to respond. Now, to be fair, not every user came out swinging. One Trustpilot reviewer said they got the PDF quickly, customer service replied, and the price was good. On Reddit, people discussing cheap textbook sites often say these kinds of stores can sometimes deliver usable PDFs, but the experience can be hit or miss. And that's the problem. Some users say, I got the book, while others say, I got stress, 6 emails, and a new trust issue. And then Scam Advisor comes in like the serious uncle at the family party. Their page for Gumliz gives a very low trust score and flags hidden WHOIS ownership, low visitor numbers, internal review signals, and scam-related keywords. That does not automatically prove guilt, but it means you should not enter card details with the confidence of a man buying socks from Walmart. So, final verdict. Gumliz Books looks risky. If you only want a cheap PDF and you're willing to gamble, maybe you'll get lucky. But if you expect a physical textbook, clear support, and zero drama, be careful. Right now, Gumliz is giving less, bookstore, and more mystery box with a syllabus attached. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.